welcome to Dee's Cabbies, Dolls, and Toys. Okay, so I had something fun happen to me this week. My neighbor heard that I was a doll collector and that I love Cabbage Patch Kids. So she's helping her aunt, her family clean out her aunt's estate, and came across some Cabbage Patch Kids and asked me if I would like to take a look at them and tell her the value and things like that. So I went over to the house and I did, and I looked at them, and she offered them to me, to sell them to me first. So I took off on the offer. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 4 new cabbies that I got one by one.
Dee's Cabbies, Dolls, and Toys.
Welcome back, you guys. So the first kid that I'm going to show you is this guy right here. So he appears to not have been taken out of the box, but his box has seen better days. You know, the cellophane is all coming loose. But he's in great condition. He is a designer line kid, and he's a corn silk red flat top. I'm actually going to take him out of the box. Like I said, he's not even fully tied in anymore. His name is Ivan Merlin. I got a good deal on him. I mean, designer line kids are pretty expensive right now, so I thought that I got a good deal. Oops. I wasn't expect to do that. I guess this would have been the easier way, right? Since the plastic was already almost off. Okay, yeah, he needs a bath. They all need a bath. They're very dusty. Sorry guys. Alright, I'm gonna have to actually have a hard time. Okay. Alright, so yeah, so here's this box, you guys. So these are the boxes. This is what the designer line boxes look like. He's a Coleco designer line kid. So late 80s, he came out. So there he is. His shoe came off. Yeah, he's pretty dirty. I'm gonna give him a bath. Him and his brother and sisters. But you know, he's in really good shape. His clothes are dusty. His shoes need to be clean. His box is a total mess. But he did come with birth certificate, which is cool. He's got the I want to say this is 45, this head mold. I haven't really been studying the head molds a lot lately, so some of the, you know, ones that aren't as popular, like everyone knows the 18s, the 19s, the 30s, you know, 1, 2, 3, but I want to say 45. It's like a typical designer line head mold. I think this, don't quote me, but I think it was like one of the first designer line head molds. But he's cute. Look at him. He's cute. And this is a pretty basic designer line outfit. He's a cutie though. So I'm gonna clean him up. I'm gonna clean him all up. But he'll be good as new. I like him. Ivan. Cute little guy, huh? I love the designer line sneakers. Look at the sneakers, they're so cute. So, you know what I might do is once I get these guys cleaned up, maybe I'll do another video for you guys and show you the before and after. So anyway, so I got him. He was the first one that caught my eye. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to grab him. And then I got another boy who, so like I said, their bodies are in really good shape. There's no stains or anything like that. But I feel like they've been in an attic or a basement for a long time. His hair is a mess. I don't know how well you can see this, but his hair is like a hot mess, you guys. This is crazy. And he even has a little pen mark on his face, which I didn't see at first. But it's a cute outfit that he has. The outfit's in good condition. It needs a washing. He needs a washing. But, you know, I can do it. I get him looking good as new. You'll see. So he's a number 2, auburn hair, brown-eyed kid. Let's see what factory he is. I want to say KT. Let's see. Let's see if I was right. Let's see if I know my stuff. Oh, here we go. Oh, I was wrong. He's okay. And this is where you check the tags. And on the tags, it will tell you what factory. It'll be like a letter or a couple letters. His is okay. And for those of you who don't know, you check the head mold, the back of the neck, right here, underneath the hairline. It'll say a number. And he is definitely a number 2. Cutie. Little white and blue sneakers. Cute. With the cap. I love when they come with the little hats. Okay. Moving right along, we got this cute little Poodle girl. Again, she needs to be defuzzed. Her clothes need to be washed. Even her ribbons have seen better days. But she's cute, so she's got the bluish purple eyes. She is a head mold number 1, brown hair Poodle girl. And I like this outfit. It's not, I don't believe it's like rare or sought after or anything, but I do like this outfit. And honestly, I don't have any other kids in this outfit, so. But it's one of, I think one of the more common outfits for the early 80 kids. Oh, she's cute. Look at her. Poodle girls. Everyone loves Poodle girls. Poodle girls are classic Cabbage Patch Kids. They just are. And these, aside from the designer line, boy, these are all early 80s kids. And I got one more. My little lemon double pony. She is also a number 1. Also in a pretty common outfit. She is a KT. Well, her outfit says KT. So, let me see. Maybe she could have had an outfit. Yeah, she's a KT factory. She's a 1985. Blue signature on the bum. This is how you check the year. You look, and it's, most of them are, a lot of them are dated. So, like hers is in blue and it says 85. But you can find things online that'll show you like a guide with the signatures. And so each year that they were produced had a different color stamp with the birthmark on the bum. So blue was 1985. The original year, 83, is brown or black, and it has no date. That one has absolutely no date, and so you know if you see that with no date, brown or black, it is an original 1983 from the very, very first year. And that's very special. But she's not. She's an 85. But she's still very special. So she has the double lemon ponies. She's probably in the best shape out of all of them. But I'm still going to, you know, put her clothes in the washer, you know, clean up her face a little bit. Yeah, she's a cutie. And of course I have to name them all too, but it's cute. It was a little, you know, surprise, and, you know, these are common kids, they are, but I couldn't leave them there. I just couldn't. I couldn't leave them there. I mean, you guys know I have a lot, and I have kids that look just like these guys, but I had to take them home with me. Yeah, I can't, no cabbies left behind. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. I wanted to share this with you. Anytime I get new cabbies, I have to share with you guys. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.